Thank you.
Towel?
I don't have one. Let the air dry it. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it? In Malibu. It's actually Zuma.
Ask if you have any buckets.
Life is good. Who knew that I would have such an amazing life? I can go from being in deep snow to the ocean breeze. And I want to show you my new secret. Well, I guess I can't tilt the camera, but woo! You can't see it. I have to put the camera down. The new secret is I got these amazing shoes, all birds, and I'm wearing the ones that are wool. I was so warm in the snow compared to my other shoes, and now I am at the beach and my feet are incredibly warm. Let me turn this off. Turn it off. Now point it down. Here they are. These are my new shoes. And they're extremely stylish, in my opinion. I haven't been stylish like this in a while. And they're extremely comfortable, not only stylish. So that's what's happening. My life is amazing. Okay, thank you. I am stylish, I am warm, and I go from snow to the ocean whenever I want. Malibu is still closed. We couldn't drive in here from Sunset Boulevard. So we had to take 101 all the way down to Vinyas or Canyon, and that's how we came here. Malibu is closed because of the fires, and the army is still there stopping people. They don't let anybody in. So, I have been absent again from doing more teaching videos. And I'm getting back into it now. So I should post the next week's video. Maybe in about a week, I hope so. From today, March 15, 2025. But that's a perfect example of arrested development that the teacher of those tapes talks about. And I heard another worker mention this before. His name was Joseph Tucker. He said, it's okay if you stop doing the teaching. You need to remember that the teaching is accumulative. So if you stop, next time when you pick it up again, it accumulates. It never goes away. So that makes me feel more at peace, I would say. This concept of arrested development, this one experienced it in sports too. When I was in Romania doing sports, we didn't do sports non-stop. We were trained for skiing, and you took breaks. It wasn't a constant thing that we did. So of course the body would get weaker when we would stop. It would also recuperate. So that's the way that this one looks at that concept of arrested development. So about the teaching ideas, I'll post more soon. And that's about it. Just walking around on this beach, it's actually kind of cold. I have to wear this down jacket, and these shoes that I'm wearing keep my feet so warm and nice. And well, I'm glad I discovered these shoes because I was tired of wearing Nikes and Asics. I think those type of shoes are very ugly. And it was difficult for me to find a pair of shoes that looks good. So this type of shoes called Allbirds, they're very plain looking shoes, which I love. I love that. And of course, yeah, they are made of wool, so they keep my feet warm. And they also come in another material, something called tree. I forgot exactly what they're called, but they're not wool. So in my thinking, I'm thinking the wool ones, I'm gonna wear them in the winter season when it's really cold outside. And the other ones, I'm gonna wear them in the summertime. And the aim is to keep the mood up be more active physically, be more active exercising.
I found another ore thing.
That's beautiful. Thank you. And yeah, I feel really stylish in these new shoes. My dream another dream this one has is to get a boat. You see how that boat is over there? Where is it? That boat. My dream is to have a boat in Marina del Rey and live on it. But of course I have many other dreams. Another dream is to have a cabin in the mountains. And that's it. These are my only dreams. The ocean and the mountains. What more can I ask for? Of course I would love to, like, I don't know, live in a better area. Instead of living in the slums, of course I would love to live in Beverly Hills or Pasadena, somewhere beautiful. But we can't ask, perhaps, the impossible. That would be asking the impossible, perhaps. I don't know, maybe it is possible. But yes, it would be nice to live in a safer area than where we are living now, so my children can be safer, so they can go outside and play. Maybe we all have these dreams. What is your dream? What do you want from life? I think perhaps these dreams that we all have are just these dual basic urges. No matter how much X gives it to us, we're gonna find something else that we want. I remember I thought when I was younger that if I were to have a lot of dresses, then that is what would make me happy. And I have so many dresses. It didn't really make me happier. I felt fulfilled for a few days. Then I ended up not even wearing them. Then I thought, aha, but if I have different colored shoes to go with all these dresses. That's what's gonna make me happy. And I have so many shoes, all different colors, all different styles. It doesn't really make me happy. I wonder, when I lived in Romania by the Carpathian Mountains, I wonder, that was happiness perhaps. I had nothing, I was poor. I don't know, I think I will always look for something better from life. Let's go for a walk. Well, one thing about these amazing shoes that keep my feet so warm is that they run kind of big. These are a size 8. I usually wear a size 7.5, 8 after I gave birth, and my toes are there. Which it doesn't bother me because, you know, I go in the mountains a lot, so there's a lot of snow there, so I would love to get some wool socks. So I love to have extra room. But the plan is to get some size 7, which is lower than what I usually wear, and see how those feel. Yeah, me too. I saw them.